Hello everyone, and in this mini lab we are going to talking about the controlling access to members. So we will using time class. I mean the time to print the time, like the hour, the minutes, and the seconds to discuss the access controls. So please follow me. Let's first create our time class. So here, suppose we have 3 private attributes. That is private, right? Hour, minute, and second. So here we should have a set method to set the time. Public void set time. As those 3 attributes are private, if we want to set the time, we should using a public method. And int hour, int minute, int second. Here, let's say okay, this dot hour is hour, and this minute is minute, right? And this dot second is second. Okay, it's a simplified version of set the time. And also we should provide a method to universal string. I mean, to format it. Here we have to return string dot format percentage 2D and percentage 2D and percentage 2D. Okay. And I think we should have a new line, right? That is hour, minute, second. Okay, then what else should we have? Like, how about convert to string in standard time format? So this we will have the string to string method. So we can return string dot format. Like if hour is equal to 0 or hour is equal to 12. Select 12. Otherwise, we select the hour mode 12. So this is the simplified version. For the hours. Let me move it to the other line. For the second one, let's see, minutes can be take the same, right? How about the second? I think seconds we can also take the same. And how about the AM, right? AM, PM is supposed to be a string, right? So there is one more parameter here, and I think okay, no problem. So hour is smaller than 12. If yes, we put AM here. Otherwise, we put PM. I think this is done. If we have any bugs, we can revise it. That is computer science. Although I said that sentence for a lot of times, but this is computer science. If you make anything wrong, just revise it. So we will create a test class. ESPN, this is our main method, right? So let's create a time. Time1 is equal to new time. Right? And after that, let's display time, or let me see, time1 dot set time. Let's set hour, minutes, seconds. How about 6? Okay. So let's see, and let's print it to take a look. So right, the word. So that is string. String. Let's get a new line. Here we say T1 dot or time1. Check what is the problem. Oh, it's supposed to be F. And then let's get the standard time. It's supposed to be the two-stroke. All right, let's check. Okay, as you can see, the universal time is 13:28:6. Okay, this is no problem. And here the standard time is changed to the 1 p.m. while the minutes and the seconds keep the same. So okay, that means there is no issue with our time class. Then we will discuss the access mode. As we mentioned that we have set the hour, minute, and seconds as private, right? What if I want to set the hours into another number? I mean, like time1, right? Dot hour is equal to 15. So can it run? Let's have a look over the error message. It says that hour has private access in time. So that means if it has a private attribute here, and these attributes can only be accessed within this class, that means, okay, we can use it such a way to get the hour. from this class. While if we want to get the hours or change the hours from outside of the java.time.java, and that means we are out of the class. So the private access will stop us changing the attributes in the other class. That means the task-driven class here. But what if we want to set the hours into 50? So a method is that we can call the time1 dot set time. Why this can do like 28 6? Okay, let's run it. We have to output the new line, and okay, let's run it. As you can see here, right, the 13 has been changed to 50. Why? Why I cannot use the time1 dot hour to set the hour while we can using the set time? That is because for this set time method, it has a public access. That means in this method, in this class, we call a public method that is the set time, right? This is doable because we have the access to this method, as it indicates that is a public mode here. While if we call the public here, and the public is within the time class, so it can call the hours or minutes or seconds just because they sit in the same class. So it's more like an indirect way to access to the hour, minute, second, but it's pretty efficient and safely in the real world industry practice, because it will stop somebody else like just change the attributes for the instances directly. You can only change the attributes by the authentic provided public APIs. Otherwise, you cannot modify the instance values. So that is the access mode. So if you can try, I would like you to like do more, not only the time 1 hour. You can also try time 1 dot minutes. This is the same thing. Like I want to change it to 50. I cannot, because as you can see, okay, symbol minutes is okay. Minute. As you can see, it indicates that the same thing, private access in time. So as long as there's any private attributes there, you cannot call it using the instance variables. And that's it for this mini lab. And it's a little bit difficult to understand currently, but I hope you can implement the code by yourself. So only when you implement the code by yourself, you will have a deep understanding of the access mode. And if you have any questions, just post a message in the discussion board, and I will answer your questions as early as possible. Thank you.